Minkids Montessori toys for 1-year-old. Baby sorter toy, colorful cube and 6 pieces, multi-sensory shape. Developmental learning toys for girls, boys, Easter gifts. Baby toys, the 6th of December 2018 months. Baby tries to push the shapes through the elastic bands and perform the sensory shapes. Cheerwing 172 German Tiger Eye Panzer tank, remote control mini RC tank with rotating turret and sound. This 172 scale mini remote control tank toy looks like a real tiger tank with great details. 360 degrees rotating turret, recoil action when cannon artillery shoots, flexible and working plastic tracks function, forward, turn left, turn right, backward, turret rotating, firing sound effects. This micro tank is 3.54 by 1.97 by 1.57 inches, just a palm size. Ideal gift army toys for boys, kids, teenagers and adults. Supdex RC tank, 1/18 scale tank model, World War II German Tiger Army tank military toys, 2.4G remote control vibration smoke launch bullets. RC Army truck toys, all boys, girls and adults. The turret can be rotated by 330 degrees, the barrel can move up and down 30 degrees, and the body can rotate 360 degrees. The tank can remotely fire bullets from multiple directions to attack. BB rounds can be fired 10-20 m, do not fire at people. As a baby toy to explore and try, it awakens the curiosity of the children, helps them explore, experiment and discover. Safe material. The educational toy frame made of high-quality ABS plastic has rounded corners and is soft. All edges and patterns are polished to a smooth and round shape, which is comfortable and skin-friendly.